kami sa airport. Makabayad lang namin ng travel tax. Nakapag-online check-in na kami. Ngayon, mag-bag trap na lang kami nung check-in baggage na.
Lalayo kila mami kila daddy.
We're done with immigration! We're here at our boarding gate.
Pakita mo yung ano, Tars, yung sayaw mo na ano, yung malambot yung katawan mo.
Let's go, H.
Into more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
We are in Hong Kong! That's the train going to the immigration. Follow nila yung mga signs paglabas nyo ng airplane. Marami namang signs kung saan kayo pupunta.
請小心上去。
Nakapag-withdraw na kami sa Bank of China using our GoTime. Yung withdraw namin is 2,500 HK. And ang nabawas sa GoTime ko is 18,830. Pupunta na kami sa bus terminal to ride the bus going to Tongchung. Kasi mati-cable car muna kami. Since malapit na dito yung Ongping cable car. And maaga pa naman for our check-in. We're here at Citygate Outlets. Hinahanap namin yung Pungtong Plaza. Kasi doon may Cafe de Coral. Ayun yung bakehouse. Yan, ito kami pupunta kasi merong Cafe de Coral. So we found the Cafe de Coral. Naka-order na kami, isang meal lang kasi may natira pa kaming food from the airport. Ito yung number, then aabangan mo dun sa screen. Ayun, nandun na to. First order of business, roasted duck and barbecue pork. Kaya lang yung milk tea nila, hindi ko alam na hot pala yun. siya. Init pa naman. Anyway, let's eat. So, nanghingi na lang ako ng cup with ice para i-transfer yung milk tea. O, diba? Mas marami pa. Ito yung price ng locker dito sa may City Gate Outlets. Ang kukunin namin is 2 small. For your reference. There's the Ngongping Cable Car Terminal. Since magbabas lang kami, dito kami pupunta. Yan. Ito Ngongping. Magbabas lang kami papunta kasi mas makakatipid kami kung one way lang yung aming cable car. We're here at Ngongping. Ayun si Buddha. Mainit dito, pero mahangin naman. Tsaka malamig yung hangin. There's the big Buddha.
Nice, Hindi ko alam kung kaya ko yung face na yan.
This is the Pauline Monastery. Don't know if it's allowed to take videos. Here, you will hear the vibration of the big Buddha.
Ayaw. Tara. Wala siya lumahalaba. Ay, ito ka. Nakasalamin, no? Oh. Oh.
About to go up to the big Buddha.
Thank you, that's it, thank you.
There's the big Buddha.
I like the song.
It's a 250 steps down there, going up here to the big Buddha. What is that, Tars? sila, oh. Oh, what's the color of your eyes?
Brown.
It's brown. There's a souvenir shopping here. Ayan. Cute! Ayan. Hi, Daddy!
Tapos babalik tayo pag ganon.
No, going back there, dun sa sinakyan natin ng basket.
Para ano yun?
We're gonna ride the cable car! Who's excited? Going to ride the cable car!
Go. Akin na yun sa akin. Tatlo no. You. Hi, sir. Hi. Picture. Ganda! Oh, tingnan mo yung babatar, so look!
Oh, man.
I'm here. Look who's scared! Star! Star! Oh my God! Parang pamagoting na mo!
Doon pala sa camera lang.
Labubu, labu-labu, labubu, labubu.
Bali 60 ang binayaran natin sa locker. 60 HKD. Get our bags. So we're here at Citygate Outlets Bakehouse. Let's try the famous egg tart.
Yes,
Can you rate the egg tart, Tars?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Give me your octopus card. Give it to me. Hi. Tars, are you tired na? A little bit. We're about to exit from the MTO.
Ilang minutes na lang.
Ito na. We're here at Nathan Road, finally. We'll be staying at Mirador Mansion. So we will be staying here at Pearl Premium Guest House.
10:20.
And this is our room.
22.
10:22. Expect niya ng maliit. And here's the bathroom. And here's the there's a small fridge, a TV, and 2 single beds. And we have a
Mami, ang ganda dito sa
window
labas.
here. View of Nathan Road. Meron naman silang pinrovide na towel, Tapos, under bed. Kasya naman yung luggages.
First, can you get my...
Ayan, 0.5 yun. So, we're out again. We're going to Mongkok. We're here, nasa Mongkok. Kaya talaga kami biglang nagpunta dito kasi naiwan namin yung tripod namin sa Naiya and na-realize namin nung nasa airplane na kami. So ngayon, problemado kami sa tripod kasi wala kami gagamitin for our Macau trip. And Disneyland. Sana makahanap kami ng mura. May nakita na kami dun sa same city, dito din sa Mongkok. Kaso nasa 1,000 siya. Ang mahal. Tapos yung tripod na yun, parang nasa 200 lang sa Shopee. 100 pa nga lang yata. 90. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ate said you're beautiful. Thank you so much for the discount. Ba ito nabila namin ng tripod. Ang original price is 120. Tinawaran namin ng 100 kasi naging 90 HPD. So, magagamit na kami. Thank you, Lord. Kakatawa dito. Para talaga siyang divisoria. Pwede kang tumawad. Tsaka si ate nagtagalog, no? Sabi niya, okay lang, okay lang. Yung tinawaran namin na 90 HKD na lang. Lingeries po. Swimsuit. May mga robe. Sleepwears. Flamingo.